So I placed the withdrawal on my Bamboo account yesterday, cashing out my gains, of course. And that's exactly why we're talking about smart investments today. I want you to imagine this scenario. You're craving shawarma, but your account balance is saying, my dear, we are fasting. Then you check your wallet or your account balance and your 5,000 naira is staring back at you. Now you have two options. Either you buy the shawarma, enjoy it for 10 minutes and go back to complaining about being broke. Number two, invest that same 5,000 naira, let it grow, and in few months afford shawarma pro max with extra chicken and cheese. What would be your option? I'm trusting you're going to make the right decision. Even Dangote did not wake up one day and become a billionaire. He started with small investments and let them grow. And you can too. If you have found yourself asking, what can I invest my money in? Considering I don't have millions. Today, I will show you 5 real investments you can start with 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira in Nigeria and grow. But before we dive into this video, I want to make it clear that I am not an investment banker, neither am I a financial expert. I am just a young entrepreneur, passionate about helping people make smart money moves. Please do your due diligence before investing, as all investments carry some level of risk. Now let's dive in. And lest I forget, I'll be ranking this investment by their risk level. The first investment you might want to consider is the fixed income investment. It has the lowest risk. If you're looking for a low risk, steady returns, Optimus by AfriVest lets you invest in fixed income securities, treasury bill, and mutual funds, and you can do it with just 5,000 naira. Now I'm going to be dropping my link to this my referral link to all of those platforms in the description of this video, so you can do also check it out at the end of this video. Now, it is just like an upgraded savings account that earns you more than your bank savings. Your money grows passively with minimal risk, and this is ideal for, if you're looking to build wealth safely over time. This is your go-to. The number 2 investment you might likely consider is the saving and interest earning. Now you can do this with fintech banks. I put out a video once some time ago where you can use OPay to save your money, but the difference here is that that's a fintech bank. You can also check out that video. We need to use an investment bank for this purpose, and PiggyVest is your go-to. This has very low risk. If you struggle with saving money, PiggyVest helps you save automatically while you're earning interest. You can earn up to 15% annual interest, way more than your traditional bank savings. Now the Safe Lock Future allows you to lock your funds for a set period, preventing impulse spending. You can use PiggyVest as your investment bank to grow money before moving to higher risk options. At the beginning of this video, I shared with you a withdrawal I placed yesterday on my Bamboo account. Now, the number 3 investment you might likely consider, I started buying stocks in 2023. That was like 2023, 2 years ago, and with as low as $1, $2, and the rest of that. And I place withdrawal from time to time. All right, so I invest in international stocks, and I also have some Nigerian stock that I invest with too. Now, you can buy and hold stocks. You can buy, and this has moderate risk but has long-term gains, of course. Now, stock shares, they allow you to own a small part of big Nigerian companies. So if you're using it right now, MTN is a lot of money. You have an MTN SIM. Why not invest in their shares? You're using banks like GT, Zenith, Dangote Sugar. Some of the stocks, they sell for as low as 15 naira per share. All right, and you can start investing immediately. Now, dividend-paying stocks provide passive income, meaning you can get a share of the company's profit annually. Like I said before, you can use Bamboo to buy international stocks as well as Nigerian stocks. All right, and also, another option for getting Nigerian stocks is the AfriVest. Now, I want you to note these stock prices, they fluctuate. They are not stable. If you don't have the mind, sometimes, if you're not emotionally grounded, I don't know, but then these prices, they fluctuate, so you have to invest wisely. Do your due diligence. Make sure you research on that particular stock or share you want to buy. If you can reach out to me using any other link in the video, my social media. The number 4 investment you might want to consider if you have just 5,000 naira is the agricultural investment, and this has medium risk but high returns. Now, agriculture, as we all know, is the future. In January, when I traveled, my grandmother told me, I told my grandmother, I want to farm, and then she told me there are lands everywhere. But once it's April, I would call you so you can start sending in money, so we can start the processes for your farm and every other thing. But the beautiful thing about agricultural investment is that you don't need a farm to start. Instead of farming yourself, you can invest your money in agricultural platforms, and earn returns in 6 months to 1 year. Of course, mostly 1 year. That's for planting, and then probably for livestock you can get that in 7 months or 6 months. So with 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira, you can form farm projects and get higher returns than traditional savings. Now on Friday I'm going to be I don't know, how do I put it now, I'm going to be doing my agricultural investment again for the year. And like I said before, I'm buying farm units for just 1,500 naira, and then I'm investing in without owning a pig farm, of course, with just 2,000 naira. And at the end of 7 months, 1 year, my capital is stable and my returns are coming back to me. So due to personal reasons, I will not be mentioning a specific platform here, but if you're interested, you can reach out to me using any of my social media links in the description of this video. And extra tip for you, make sure you start small and make sure to invest in verified platforms to avoid scam. With agriculture, returns are good, but some platform may face operational risk. So you have to get your mind together, and of course, start small. Oh. We are getting to the end of our video. Now the number 5 stock the number 5 investment you might likely consider is buying and holding the US dollars. Now this is a forex hedge investment. This is not forex. I repeat, this has higher risk but more profit. Now the naira keeps losing value, so holding some money in USD, dollars, can help protect your wealth. I personally use Bamboo, and Bamboo allows me to buy and save dollar effortlessly. So if the naira depreciates, your USD becomes more valuable in naira, giving you natural profits without trading forex. This is not forex trading. And I repeat, this is not forex trading. It's a smart way to hedge against inflation. Now the risk here is very, very high, and mind you, naira could temporarily appreciate, affecting short-term gains. So if you're new to investing, you can start with a lower risk option and gradually explore the medium and higher risk. And mind you, I'll be dropping my referral links to all of the platforms that I mentioned in this video. Now, in saving dollars, you can also use cheaper cash, Gray, AfriX, but I use Bamboo personally. I'm going to be dropping my referral links in the description of this video and to all of the platforms that I mentioned in this video. Now, you're going to use that referral link to register, all right, as a way of supporting me, of course. Now, and so I think I've answered the man who's wondering what he could invest with 5,000 naira. So if you want to buy all the cars in the world, the mansions in the world, and every other thing you want to do, but you have small money. And let me advise you, you don't have to stop at 5,000 naira. As you grow, you invest more. Before you know, you've built the investment mindset. The rich invest. If you want to build wealth, you have to invest. So we recently hit 19,000 views, and I am so excited. Despite the procrastination, the line is still moving. So thank you for the support. I want us to keep growing together. Thank you. Do not forget, so which of these 5 investments interests you the most? I want you to drop that in the comment section. And remember, you should check the description of this video or the comment section for the links to start investing. And for the agriculture investment, you can reach out to me using any of my social media links, but for faster responses, you can use my WhatsApp link. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips. In our channel, we help you grow. Subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest video. Thank you.